Okay. Good morning, students. Today's topic is resources, their use, and sustainable development. Do you know what is the meaning of sustainable development? So, the development which take place without damaging the environment for future use is called sustainable development. Okay, beta? The development in which we are not affecting the requirement of the future. Okay, that development is known as sustainable development. It includes economic and social development along with environmental protection. So resources have to be used properly in order to sustain development. For this, the following method have to be observed. For sustainable development, we have to follow some methods. Okay, so first method is efficient technology should be developed and utilized for optimal application of the resources. Okay, beta, here efficient technology means the technology which reduce the wastage of resources. Okay, ऐसे टेक्नोलॉजी जिसमें रिसोर्सेज को कम वेस्ट किया जाता है, वो टेक्नोलॉजी वी हैव टू डेवलप दैट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड वट एवर रिसोर्सेज वी हैव अवेलेबल वी शुड use that resources to their full extent or their maximum capacity or utility. Okay, optimal means maximum. Clear? Second method is resources should be conserved. Overuse of resources can result in its depletion in the future. Obviously it is very common thing. You also have heard about the water conservation. Yes, and there are different techniques through which we can conserve our resources. Conserve means to save, बचाना उनको. Okay, if we are using them excessively, then they will deplete. Okay, deplete means decreasing. Okay, third is law and order situation is important for development. When there is peace in the country, the people feel free enough to concentrate on positive activities. Okay, this is one of the most important thing, that if there will be a peace in the country, then people will work freely, efficiently and effectively. If there will be a situation of chaos, then people will not be able to work in proper manner. Okay, beta? Next technique is knowledge should be disseminated among people so that resources can be used optimally. Optimally, I have told you earlier, maximum. Okay, example of this, Panchayati Raj system in India is helping to spread knowledge in the village about better technique of agricultural production. Okay, beta? In next technique, what we are doing, we are spreading the knowledge among the people so that they can use the resources optimally. Okay, and Panchayati Raj is playing an important role in development of technique of agriculture. Okay, and fifth technique is both domestic and international trade is important for distribution of resources and product from where they are found or manufactured. Okay, और जहाँ पर भी प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है या मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है, दोनों ही कंडीशन में, वेदर इट इज़ डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल, ठीक है, देयर शुड बी ए प्रॉपर ट्रेड. क्लियर? एंड इट शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड equally. Okay, beta? I hope this chapter is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.